Everything is soaked. We're getting a lot of rain up here, folks. So we are experiencing a cooler and wetter spring. We're still in spring, as today is Thursday, June 20th, and the resort is quiet. It is real quiet right now, and there's not much that I can do out here. So I think what I better do is go out and work on Holi today. So what are we gonna do? Well, let's come on in. And we are going to install this new mattress topper. And we're going to put this in the living room area on the fold-out queen bed sofa. Actually, I guess it's not a queen, it's a full. But we already laid it on there and seen that it needs to be trimmed. So today, I'm going to trim it and install it. And hope that Patty doesn't kill me when she gets home. So that's what we're up to today. Stick around, because this is how we roll. Okay, so here's today's project. This sofa over here in Holi folds out and forms a little full bed. It would be nice to open this up while we're out on the road, and so that we could get really comfortable and watch TV. And why that is I'm going to come up, and I think we can see it, is we took down the small TV that's up here, and we installed, and I got to try to get that reflection off that screen, folks. I'm sorry about that. This right here is a Samsung Smart TV, 40-inch, I believe, maybe 42, and it's on a swivel bracket. I can pull it out and angle it over towards the sofa. So what we're going to do is we're going to make it convenient for Patty and I to cuddle on this sofa over here, fold it out like a bed, and be able to watch movies and things like that while we're on the road. So let me get started and see what kind of job I can do. Yeah, let's get this folded up, and then we'll go get the mattress. So we really don't have a lot to take off. It looks to be just a couple inches, so I'll get a measurement really quick and get my handy dandy little knife after I make my line, and we'll start to do it. Now we're going to take this serrated knife and just follow that line. Now for the test. Let's see if I can fold this up, see if everything fits. Here's hoping. Yes! It works! Yay! It works. I'm happy. I actually cut it off, and the sofa folds up like it's supposed to. So when I put the cushions on, you'll never see the blue up there at all. So it's going to look like a normal sofa. Of course, Patty and I are going to put a sheet on that, but it works. So I'm pretty happy. So it was an easy project. I'm glad I could share it with you. I honestly did not know how it was going to turn out. So, but anyways, we're getting Holly ready for the road, folks. It's not going to be long now, and we're going to be on. You know, we're looking at the first part of November for hitting the road. I still have some other things that I want to do in the coach. We've made a lot of improvements, kind of turning Holly into our own. And give me just a second, I'll show you what I'm talking about. Up here in the cockpit area, I've got our GPS mounted here. And again, I'm sorry for the lighting, but it's kind of a tough thing to do here. But our GPS up here is all installed on an overhead, as well as our tire pressure monitor system. But you notice the wires are dropping down, and to plug in a cigarette lighter over here. So my next project is rerouting. I have to install a cigarette lighter receptacle up here on this board behind the TV and run the wiring through the coach that way down and connect into power down below here, and that'll make it a nice, neat presentation. Old Bumper told me that I have to do this, so I guess I have to, because he's going to be up here end of August to visit with his lovely wife Lisa, and if I don't have that done by then, you know, he's just going to bump me all over the place. Let's call Patty and let her know. Hey babe, guess what? The mattress fits. I've got the sofa folded up. I'm sitting on it right now, and it feels extremely comfortable to sitting on it. We already know what it feels like when we're laying on this mattress anyways, but I just want to let you know that the project is complete. The sofa's comfy, and I didn't ruin anything. Isn't that amazing? I know Bumper will be proud of me, but anyways, just letting you know. Love you. Yeah, exactly. Cut off about 4 inches maybe. Yep. I saved the piece for you. Use it to stuff pillows or something. Okay. All right. I'll see you when you get home. Love you. Bye. Okay, folks. I got a gold star for today. How about that? Here. Absolutely everything went smooth, just like I thought it would. Patty's happy. And so one more project done as we get ready for hitting the road in November. So thank you for joining me today. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe if you haven't already. We'd sure appreciate it. So, but one step at a time, that's how we're doing it here. Thank God for nasty weather. I probably would have put this off for another couple days. But anyways, we'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.